it was really a life-changing decision. I was born with a thing called hypodontia, so I was missing 12 teeth. They just were never there in the skull, they never came down. I used to wear a denture, a permanent denture, which was supposed to be temporary, but I ended up wearing it for 10 years, maybe more. But it was very impractical. Like I used to have to take it in and out when I ate. So before 3Dental, I would have done a lot of treatments in the public systems, and then it just kind of all, I suppose, aged out. Finally, I was in a position to come to 3Dental and have a consultation and finally get it sorted. First time I met Dr. Nuria, she was so confident and put me at ease that there was things that could be done and that she was gonna finish my treatment, leaving me in the position I wanted to leave in, and I'm delighted she did. And I've had 5 crowns on my back teeth and 2 dental bridges, top and bottom, on my front teeth to completely rebuild my smile and to give me a smile. The first time I had the mock-up, the temporary teeth, she rolled off the rubber, and I could, in the reflection of the light above my head, I could see the smile, and it blew my mind. I couldn't stop looking at it, and I was just so pleased. I remember driving home. It was probably dangerous how many times I looked in the rearview mirror driving home, just glancing up and running my tongue along my teeth. I'd never been able to do that for a full set of teeth before, and it was incredible, an incredible feeling. Like, it had been so long. I'm getting married in a couple of months, and that was actually one of the things I always wanted to be able to smile in my wedding photographs. If you're lucky enough to get Nuria as your dentist, she'll change your life. She's incredible. But yeah, the staff are all very friendly. I couldn't recommend it more, to be honest. Come in, free consultation. You'll be able to decide from there. It's changed my life. I can now meet a stranger and not be conscious of whether they've seen my teeth or not. Now I'm like, have you seen these teeth? They're pretty good.